Hi, Chuck Brewer, Director of Operations for CTI. Today I'm here with Sonny Restivo, CEO and owner of CTI, and we're doing a product breakdown. This is our 100 AO. We get phone calls and guys are like, what could I use for more slip resistancy and high wearability? That's where aluminum oxide comes in. And I've sent text out to guys and I'm like, use 100 AO. And then you get the weird text emoji face back like, AO, what is that? Well, this is aluminum oxide. It's 100 grit, and it goes into two products specifically, our 150 and our MCU. It is a heavier product, so when you put it in, you want to consistently stir as you're moving because it will settle down to the bottom. But what it does is it gives you great slip resistancy, still yet good cleanability, but it's a very high wear product.
And we have this in, we actually have it in different sizes. The 100 grit is going to be the main one that is used. But if you have an application where you might need a larger grit, for instance, for going in our armor shield, the 100 AO will just get swallowed in there. So we have a larger grit for that. Our F1 skid additive is a larger grit aluminum oxide. When that gets phased out, we will have just our version of the I think it's a 46 grit aluminum oxide for use in armor shield. We also have a different product that's called a polycarbonate. The difference in those two is an AO is very hard and durable. It is white and it is heavy. So it is going to sink. You're going to have to, make sure that it's not, every time you're dipping, you just make sure it's not sinking to the bottom. So a little bit more of that, whereas and it is white. So it is also going to double as knocking some sheen off of that MCU.
Yes.
If you put it in that MCU, it's not only going to give you a high wear, but it's also going to take it from a high gloss to a semi to maybe even, yeah. I wouldn't say a satin, but it definitely breaks that sheen, that gloss down.
Absolutely.
Another thing it does, and you was about to say it, it's going to help hide imperfections.
Absolutely.
So if you're coming over, say, an epoxy or anything with that MCU, man, any little thing shows. Well, when adding AO, not only gives you that high wear, not only gives you slip resistance, but it helps hide any little speck or any imperfections you may have in that
dust, anything that might have got in it. Yeah. We'll attach a picture of the 100 AO and the MCU to both, actually, to the QR code on the 100 AO and to the QR code on the MCU.
Yeah, and I was talking earlier about the polycarbonate. The polycarb is different. It's a round and it's light, so it is going to suspend better. But it fights you that way too. So you still got to keep it mixed. Make sure it's not floating to the top. It is a clear product. So if you're going clear on, say, a stain, interior, you may want to just residential, you may want to opt for the polycarb. It's going to hide better. It's not going to take the sheen off as much. It's going to feel better on bare feet. So it may be a better option for there. As always, Chuck's here, I'm here. If you have questions on which one of these do we use, just get with us and we can help you figure that out.
Thanks for watching this product breakdown. Remember, just hit the QR code for more technical information.